Today I'm going to show you how to complete Chapter 6's Exercise 4. So first, create a new workbook, naming it Car Loan. Now enter the data as shown and apply the Apex theme, which can be found in Page Layout, Themes, and Apex. Now, using the internet or a newspaper, find an advertisement for a new car and look at its price. Once you've chosen a car, enter the price of the car as the principal of the car loan in row 7 of the worksheet. So for this exercise, I'm going to be using $22,800. Okay, so now in row 9, we have to enter formulas that uses the PMT function with cell references to calculate the periodic payment for the different loan interest rates and payment periods. So to do this, you have to know the PMT function, which is equals PMT rate, term, and principal, where rate is the interest rate per period, term is the total number of payments to be made, and principal is the amount borrowed. So in this exercise, I'm going to put a formula that uses the PMT rate. So I'm going to be using cell references as well. So remember, first we have to use the rate, so interest rate divided by 12. Then the number of payments made, 36, and the principal, which is negative B7, and press enter. So since the payments are made monthly, the interest rate should also be computed monthly by dividing the annual interest rate of 7% by 12. And the number of payments is 36, since 3 years times 12 months equals 36. And the principal is negative because it's the amount borrowed. Also, it shouldn't include a dollar sign or any commas. So once you've gotten the idea of a PMT function, you have to do the same thing for the rest of the loan types by using the fill handlebar. So to do this, simply point to the bottom left corner of cell B9 and click it and drag until you reach the 5-year column, which is here. So now in row 11, we have to enter a formula that uses cell references to calculate the amount paid. So to do this, we must multiply the number of payments by the monthly payment. So in this example, I'm going to be using the formula equals B6 times B9. Press enter. And now in row 11, we have to enter the formula that uses cell references to now calculate the total interest paid. So to do this, we must subtract the principal from the total amount paid. So in this example, I'm going to be typing this following formula using cell references. So total paid minus the principal, which is in B7. And press enter, and this is my total interest. And finally, you have to add your name in the header and the current date in the footer. So to do this, simply go to Insert, Header and Footer, and of course you have to type your own name there. And if you go to Footer, you have to enter the current date just by clicking on current date. And once you're done that, you have to just simply click on any cell inside the worksheet, and you're done. So once you finish entering all the information, your worksheet should look similar to what I have right now. And remember, this is a video tutorial and videos can be paused and played back. So if you feel like you don't quite get something, you can always play back. Or if I went too fast, you can always pause anytime as well. So that's all there is for this exercise. Now you know how to create an amortization table.